Harvey was at the steam works in Krivensky. He's very happy. Well, no friend had returned. Your king has returned, laughed Harvey. What? Well, it's the corner. Don't tell me you called in the Lion King. I am, said Harvey. This weekend they're showing the Lion King in Town Square. And on Saturday they're showing Return of the Sith. Oh, said Connor, those are good movies. Star Wars is good. Anyway, said Harvey, welcome back. Thank you, said Connor. I can't believe I'm finally one of you guys. Finally, no fuss an engine. Well, about time, said Harvey. Well, thank you for watching, viewers. We hope you guys had a good May. Good April. We'll see you guys on this show. We'll be back in May. Bye.